Okay, so now we're gonna do the reset of the oil to let the car know we did change the oil. To do that, you have to turn on the car on the first position. You just hit it once. Don't press the brake pedal because the car is gonna turn on you. So hit it once. You want to make sure you're at the miles page here. If you're not there, let's say you're at a different page, then hit the back button. You can see now the miles. Once you see that, now you're gonna hit the call button and OK button at the same time. Now keep in mind, when you do that, sometimes it's gonna ask you to reset trip. So that means that action that you just did between these two buttons didn't work. So go back and try again. And I've figured out that you don't hit the buttons at the same time exactly. You hit the call button like a second earlier before the OK button, and then you hold both for about 5 seconds or so. So let me show you. So here, you scroll down to Assist Plus and hit OK. Full service. Confirm full service. Confirm. And it reset for you. Now you can go back to the miles. And what I like to do every time I change the oil, you can check here on the from reset, the mileage, 80,000. And then you got the from start, which is every time you turn on the car, it's gonna register how many miles you did. So right now it's 0 because when I started the car, it didn't move. What I like to do is I go to from reset, and from here I hit OK to reset the value, and I hit yes. Now from reset is 0. So every time I change the oil, this is a good reminder that every 5,000 miles, when it reaches up here at the from reset, I know exactly that it's about time to change the oil. Now the car has its own features that lets you know when to change the oil, but that usually goes above 10 or 12,000 miles. However, it's set from the manufacturer. I personally like to do it every 5,000 miles, and I use this menu here from reset. I use this because the other one, which is from start, this cycles every so often you turn on and off the car, so it's not reliable. But if I reset this, if I OK again, hit the reset values, now I start at 0. And this does not matter how many times you turn on the car, but this will only reset unless you hit it here.